Hello everyone. Today is our fourth session, and today we are going to discuss about all the things that we can see under tab of Sketch. So from line, drawing the line, to trim, to convert entities, to offset, and so on and so forth. So without further ado, let's start. So top lane, and then when you go to Sketch, firstly, when you go to Sketch, you have to click sketch to start drawing. Smart dimension is when you put dimensions on the lines or on all the 2D cuts that you already started drawing. Line, okay. Let's start on the line. Here's the way you put the line. Just click, and then at the end of the line, just click again, and click. Now you created one solid shape. What else is left here is to put them relationships. So let's say, for example, I want this to be this one and this one to be equal. So I'm going to click it, left click, and then I'll press Control on keyboard and left click again on this line, and then all the relationships here will come out. Or if I release my control on my keyboard, there will, oh, sorry, I didn't go out more time. You see, all the relationships that can be added will pop up. If not, you can choose from here. Okay, so let's say I put equal, and then I want it to be vertical. Okay, now it's already vertical. This one is parallel. I'm going to delete it. This one and this one is equal. So this one, as you can see here, I think I'm going to put a angle here to be 130. Okay, another one. Um, let's say I want this to be 50. Oh, sorry, it shouldn't be. It cannot be 50. 10. Okay, what else? So here you can see still moving. This one is 30. Now it's fully defined, meaning everything here you cannot move anything here. Any point, any line, you shouldn't be able to move it. And all the things here should be color block. Right? So if I accept it, it will become like this. You will have a history here on the sketch. And if I edit it again, so next one, I want to make a circle. Of course, very easy to make a circle. Once you, there are two options for you to create your circle. One is 2 point, wherein you are going to start from the origin of the circle, and then another method is perimeter circle. So you have to put 3 points in that circle. So if, let's say, for example, I choose this one, the circle, wherein I'm going to start from the center of the circle. So I already indicated the center. After that, I'm going to drag it. So once I drag it, I'm going to estimate the size of the circle that I wanted. So somewhere here, and then I'm going to left click again. There you go. You have a circle. And then what else is you have to put a dimension. I want it to be at the center of this. So for me, I'm going to put another line. And I go. I'm gonna make it into a construction line, and then I want to be in the center. So as I've mentioned on the previous session, you have to hover your circle or your line so that the center or midpoint of that line will come out, which is yellow dot. Okay, now I'm fully defined again. Next, rectangle. So rectangle is very easy. Just put from the circle, like it's like a circle. You start from the center. Also, you can also make a rectangle starting from the corner. Okay, so it's up to you to choose. So I'm going to delete it. Click the line and then press delete on your keyboard. Okay, press next. Spline is just like this one, just like that. So there are times that you will be using this, but for me it's very not so often. Just like that. Center point. So actually, once you hover your mouse over a certain tool, there will be a pop up to show you on how you're going to use it. So center line arc is, so you are going to estimate the size of your arc, and then after that you have to tell the first and beginning and end of your arc. So center, second step is to put the first or the beginning of your arc, and then end. Okay, ellipse. Ellipse is, of course, you start from the center, and then you're going to put the dimension of your circle. Start, and then yeah, first circle and then second circle. So the at first I have put 11.56 the radius of my first circle, and then second circle is 18.06. So the one is this one, 11.56. Okay, and then another one will be from this point to this point. Okay, um, this one is straight slot. So straight slot is you're going to put the beginning and end, wherein those 2 points will be the center of your two circles. Okay, just like that. This one is a polygon. Okay, and even put how many sides you want it. So it could be 9, or it could be 3. See, or the left side of your screen, you can change the parameters of your polygon. Okay, this one is actually a fillet. So how to use this is just click on the fillet, and then it says select a sketch vertex or entities to fillet. So it's usually used on the corners of your drawing. I'm going to click one line and then another line. All right. So here is the fillet could not be added because the specified radius would eliminate one of the elements. So it's too big. If we can try two. Okay. So as you can see, I already have the fillet. Once I checked it, I'm going to have that. A while ago, I received an error. So let's see again. Let's undo it. When you undo, just press Control and Z and then release. Okay, let's do again. Okay, a segment being fillet has a midpoint or equal length or equidistant relationship. Equidistant relationship will be deleted and the geometry might move if the fillet is created. Do you want to continue? Now it says it looks like because we have a relationship between these two lines to be equal. That's why it's saying it's like a conflict. Okay. Now if I you see it's right now it's red meaning something wrong. So if I delete this relationship, which is I set these two lines to be equal, um, now it's already okay. Alright. So in the drawing, you will also have to learn how to solve the problems. Just have to, or just try to understand what it says or what's the problem, and try to do or test or trial, do some trial to find out the workaround. Okay. Next is point. So usually, this point is you can use it to put a point on any line. So let's say, for example, right now it's in here, right? And this line, I want to put a dot here, and then I want it to be around 30 mm from this point to this point. I can make a circle from there. So you can use it as your reference. Okay, usually that's the purpose of the point. Hmm, this one sketch, text. So text is actually you can use it to put some text on your 3D. Let's say I put my hello, hello. So hello, and then I wanna put it somewhere here. Just click on the line. That's it. So that's for today. I think we're going to stop the video from here so that to make the video not too long, and I think we'll discuss the trim entities, convert entities, offset entities, and so on and so forth for the next video. So see you. Thanks.